Hello and welcome to my YouTube page. This is a quick introduction as to why I have a YouTube page. Who am I? What am I offering? Why am I going to create many videos for you? Yeah, that's because I'm a holistic health coach. So I'm going to break down holistic, I'm going to break down health, I'm going to break down coach so you get a full grasp of what that is and what I'm offering. Yeah, there's many people out there that are coaches. There's many people out there that are holistic. And there's many people out there that work in health. But what does this all mean? My goal is to empower you to understand, understand health, to gain inner independence in your own activities, production, what tools and techniques you can utilize and use to prosper in your life, to love life. So what does holistic mean to me? Holistic is the whole picture. Yeah? This encompasses you, your body, your mind, what you consume, what you don't consume, as well as the universe itself. Yeah, where's your place? What's your purpose? What's your identity? We'll go through all these and cover these, and I'm going to put these up on the videos and go through them as well, but you can book a free call with me and we'll have a discussion and go through a consultation on this. Yeah, whether it's physical ailments, mental ailments, a bit of both, yeah, we can gain some clarity, utilize some real effective techniques to amplify your life, to prosper, to love life, and to feel balance within, so you can be more productive despite whatever's going on. Yeah, so that's what holistic is to me. It's the whole picture, encompassing all. Health, where's health? Now here's where, if you Google health definition, it's not quite the definition I use. To me, health is a measurement. Yeah, we either say to someone, oh, this person's in good health or bad health, or you're in good health or bad health. These are the words we use. So to me, that's a measurement. And where would you rather be? Good health, right? But what is that? What are we measuring? To me, we are measuring cell function. How well are your cells actually functioning to do their job? Yeah, and that's the whole picture, every single cell in your body, from organ tissue to muscle tissue, tendons, and your brain, your central nervous system, the whole thing. It's one thing. Yeah, so how well are them cells functioning? As well as your bacteria. Inside your gut, there's more bacteria than there is cells in your body. And then bacteria, that environment is crucial to your productivity of life, to you. So this is what health means to me. It's a measurement of your cell function and a measurement of your bacteria quality, quantity, yeah, and environment. So that's what that encompasses. And there's many techniques, like I said, to go into the body to recalibrate, I think that's right, whatever, how your cells are functioning, how to optimize the bacteria, how to then prosper in life, as well as working on the mind, getting your thoughts clear, your clarity, your focus, yeah, to have less hesitation and more action. And like I said, and there's a whole picture, so where's your place in this earth? What are you here for? We'll discuss all these things and more, and I will do on this channel. So I'd love you to subscribe, comment. If you have questions, I would absolutely love to hear your questions so I can make this channel tailored to the viewers. You to me are important. I'm here to serve you. I'm going to make another video of why I care so much about you. Yeah, so check that out next. But I want to hear from you. I want to just know where you are in the world. I've been to a few countries in my life. You can see I'm in a beautiful location here. I want to know, what's your location? Where are you? Yeah, so drop it in the comments. I would love to hear it. Yeah, let's connect, let's share, let's grow and ascend together in life. Let's prosper, let's be of service. Let's finally take that suffering, that pain, that burden, stress, depression, tension. Let's get rid of it. Yeah. Have a beautiful day. Really look forward to talking with you and sharing and connecting with you. Thank you for subscribing, liking and commenting. Can't wait to read them. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Remember to drop a comment with any question. If you have a query or you want a video on a specific topic, let me know. I will tailor my content to you, the audience. I love you for being here. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like, support holistic health, and have a wonderful, beautiful day.